Okay, let's start again. So this is our x value, this is y value. For this one 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And this one something 1.000, 1.3010, 1 point, give me a second. 1.4771, 1 point. So when you are copying the values, you have to be careful. Don't make mistakes on copying, okay? So it will ruin your marks. So when you're copying the things in your exam paper or anything, you have to carefully copy. Don't make any mistakes. So nebula y. So as I said, nebula yn is equal to yn minus 1. Therefore, if you are finding the first one, it should be the one more than, we don't have the nebula of yn. Okay, y naught is not possible. So it should be nebula of y1. Okay, can you get the answers? Nebula y1, nebula y2, nebula y3, and nebula y4. So can you answer me? Just find the same like differences. Okay. Yeah, okay. So is that negative 0.30? So what if I say this one nebula y1, you have to take from here to here, no? It should be positive, okay? Okay. 3010. Okay. What about second one? 0.1761. Okay. This one 0.125. Yeah. This one 0. Last one. Okay, 969. So don't put the negative, okay? So correct yourself. We are taking from bigger one to the lesser one. So this to this, because I have changed my nebula y1. Okay. So that's a thing you have to be careful. So these are our indexes. Okay. So what about nebula squared y? So the same way. So here what I need to put? Nebula squared y of what? Can you answer me? So is that 1 or 2? So we don't have nebula y naught. Okay. Similarly, nebula squared is that nebula squared y1 or y2? Which one? Yes, 2, isn't it? Good. So it should be y2. So one more. So we don't have y1. Okay. So you have to know in the backward one, we are leaving the earlier part. Okay. Okay. What about this one? So can you find out delta squared y3? This one nebula squared y4. So can you find the answers for this one? Okay. So positive 0.1761 minus 0.301210 is a negative, no? Negative 0.1249. Okay. What about this one? Okay, 0.0511. This one? Squared by 4. Okay, 0.0281. Good. Okay, let's go for delta cube y as well. So similar way, we are leaving some the next one. So delta, nebula cube y2 may be gone, isn't it? So here nebula cube. So this one. So y3. Okay. This one nebula 3 y4. Okay. So can you find the answer? Okay. 0.0738. This one. Is it negative? It's a positive, no? Check your answers. So I have to take this minus this. So minus into minus, this one will be plus. Okay. So just put the correct way in the calculator. Okay, this one 0.0229. Okay, fine. Okay, what about the delta 4? Delta, give me a second. Couldn't write. Okay. So delta 4 should be y4, no? y4. Okay. y4 is equal to, okay, good. 0. So I'm writing here, okay? I don't have a place. 0508. Okay. Is that 9 or 8? Anyway, no problem. Okay. So if you round off, sometime you may round off as 3. So in that sense, you may have 8, or otherwise maybe like that. Okay. So no problem. 8 or 9. Okay. Check your answers. I don't know. So here also we are leave delta 4, y3 is not there. Okay. So this is how you have to put this. You have to be careful on this table. Okay. Other things are okay. Nebula. Yes. Nebula is backward. I know. But what I'm meaning is here. Only thing is you have to be careful on this. Nebula is also the same way we are finding the differences. Okay. But you have to put in the, I mean, forward one, we put y naught, isn't it? Here we put nebula y1. So that's the thing you have to be careful. Okay. Other things are same like forward table. Did you get that? Did you get what I mean? So in this only you have to be careful. Okay. Other things are same like, I mean, same like the forward table. Okay. So what about the question? They are asking you to find nebula cube log 40, isn't it? So this is what they are tricking you. So you know the function is f of x equal to log x. Okay, I know. So x, I need to put 40. So only thing is, if you put the, I mean index. So I mean like index, okay? So index terms. So my 40 will be y3, isn't it? So delta cube y3. Where is the delta cube y3? Yes, I got the answer. So if you put like this, it will be very easy. It's not a, see, this is what I mean. So this is my answer. Okay. So which is equal to 0.0738. That's all. Okay, it's a positive, isn't it? So what is their second question? Second question is their nebula cube log 50. So now 50 will be my 4. So that's all, this one. So this is equal to, so the answer for this one will be just equal to 0.0229, or you can, approximate 0.02223. Okay. Is that correct? Yeah, I think I made a mistake. In the question also you change. Okay, this is also fine. Also you put the question, delta 450 is what? Log 50. Okay. So let's find out like delta 4 log 50. So log 50 we know by 4. So left 4. That's the only thing there, no? Okay, so the answer will be this one. Okay. So that is also one of the questions. So, okay, give me a second. So one more question is nebula for log 50 is what? Okay. So it is equal to this one, no? Nebula for y4 because of index. So index also you have to be careful. Okay, index you put from 0. Okay, don't put from 1, 0. Then only your answer will be correct. So this will, which is equal to this one, the last one, minus 0.0508, 8 or 9. Okay. Okay, that is the way you have to do the other question as well. So other question also, you can construct one table. It means construct the backward difference table for the data sine 30, this one 35, 40, 45. So you can take x as a 30, 35, 40, 45. And then you can take y is equal to sine x. Okay. So in that way, you can do this one. Also, they ask, assuming third difference to be constant, okay, find the value of sine 25. So they say you can use the, you can use the table, yeah, table itself, but they are saying to assume difference to be constant. But obviously, when you are finding the, table itself, you can find it is coming as the same. Okay. So shall I erase this window? Okay, hope you have written all. Okay, so what they say is, so they didn't tell you what is the y is equal to f of x or what is the x value or anything. Okay, that's they want you to find out. Okay, they just gave you sine 30 is this one, sine 35 this one, something value. So you know this what you have to find, no? So we know y should be something sine x. Okay, so whatever the x value you put like that, 30, 35, something like that. Then y is equal to this one. Okay, then you take, gradient, okay, gradient square, nebula square, nebula cube. So they say under the nebula cube, you will have the constant value. It means same values. Okay, you can check. So then find the sine 25. So we don't have 25 now. See that 35, 40, something like that there. So it is going here. So we don't have the 25. 25 is somewhere here, no? So you know, it is the same one. Equal increments. So it should be the 1 less than 1. So if I take this one 0, 1 less than value. Okay. So you can't find from the table. You have to, you can construct for to find the other values. But to find this one, you have to use the formula. Okay. So what that mean is, you can find this one. After this one, you will have some common values. Let's say A. Okay. So let's say this is my A. You can find what is A. Okay. Then you can use to find, you have to find the Y value. Okay. Y is equal to sine 25 now. To find the sine 25, you have to come backward. Okay. You have to go this way. This way. Okay. So you have from this to, you have to come this way. Oh, 25 is here. So you have to go this in this way. Okay. From the back side to the here. So what you can do is, I'll give you the step only. Okay. So let's say my delta q y, this is my 0, 1, 2. We have until what? 45 no. Okay, let's say 3. Okay. So if I use these two, I can find the 25 now. So I don't need to go here. Let's say, okay, let's do that anyway. You also can do now. So let's do this question, okay? So x is this one, y is equal to sine x. Again, we have to find the nebula squared, nebula cube. Okay, put the values 30, 40, 45, sorry, 35, 40, 45. So, and then this value will be 0 0.5000, 0 0.5736, 0 0.6428, and then this one 0 0.7071. Okay. So what is a nebula? And can you find these answers? Let's do that. Okay. So first of all, I will introduce the n. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is my nebula y. So this is my y node, y1. So y1. Okay, nebula y2, nebula y3. Okay. So if I find this one, nebula squared y2, nebula squared y3, and then nebula cube y3. Okay. So I can go up to here. Okay. Is that correct? Yeah. So okay. So the question is not the after one, no, bigger one. So earlier one. So give me a second, okay? They asked the question sine 25. So it should be somewhere 1 less than the 0th value, no? So what we do is, okay, let's rearrange this one, okay? Let's put 25 here. Let's put that one as a 0, okay? Let's change this one. So then only we can find this, okay? So we don't know. We're not gonna we're gonna find from the table, okay? So here, I'm not gonna put this one. This is my, I know, sorry. This is my nebula. Still, I don't know nebula y1. Okay, this is my nebula 2 and 3, 4. Did you understand what I'm doing? Because they are asking the question, this one in this way. Okay, what I do is I'm including in my table, but I'm not gonna find it now. Okay, I'm gonna use the formula to find. Okay, so I know I don't know this one, but here I have delta y1. This will be delta y2. Nebula y2, nebula y3, nebula y4. So I can only find these values now. So I don't know this one. Still, I'm gonna keep this. Okay, this one nebula squared by 2, no, 2. So this one I don't know. So this one I can put 3. This one 4. And these two, that's what they say. Third difference to be constant. So we are taking, this is y3 and this will be y4. Okay, can you answer me the values? So they are asking you to use the, table. So that's why we are waiting for. Otherwise, we can put what is sine 25 in a calculator, no? Okay. So can you answer me these value? Nebula y2. So 0.5736 minus this one. Yeah, I'm waiting for your answer. Please. 0.0736. Okay. This one. 0.0692, isn't it? Okay. This one. Okay, 0.0643. Okay. So let's keep this one. What about this one? Nebula squared y3. Okay. Negative 0.0044. This will be negative 0.0049. Okay. Nebula 3/4. Okay. Is that plus or minus? Minus, no? Yeah. 0.0005. Okay. So I don't know this one. So I'm going to find out. Okay. So they have gave some ideas. What they said is, okay. So what they said is, these in the third differences, both are equal. Okay, I'll take one other color. Say, so they say in the third differences, both are constant. It means same. Constant means Same, no? So I need to know this one will be 0, 0, 5. Okay. So we are going backward. Okay. So I know this one. So if I know these two, okay, I know delta cube y. Can you see this color? Y3 is equal to gradient squared y3 minus gradient, nebula squared y2, no? So this one I know minus 0.0005. So nebula squared y3 is equal to minus 0.0044. So what about nebula squared y2? So you can take this side. So nebula squared y2 is equal to negative 0.0044 plus 0.0005. I'm taking this one this side, this one this side. So what is this answer? Minus 0.0044 plus 0.0005 will be, is that 4 or 5? What is the answer? Is the 0.00, okay, 04. So 4. So 5 means 350 minus 44, no? Is a 50. 0, 0. 5 minus 45, 39. So don't round off now. So 3904 should be 39, no? Okay. Keep until the last minutes to, round off. Is that 00039? Please check your answers. Is this correct? Yes. Okay. So we have found this one. Okay, this fine. So we are going to find this one by using again the backward. So we know nebula squared. Sorry, give me a second. So I don't have a place. So I'll take this one here. Okay. So nebula squared y2, which is equal to nebula y2 minus nebula y1. So I need to find the nebula y1. So nebula 2 y2 I know. So I have find. Okay. So this one will be 0.0039, which is equal to nebula y2, yes, I know, 0.0736. So this is I don't know. Okay. So what is this? If you take this side, so the nebula y1 is equal to 0.0736 plus 0.0039. So what will be the answer this one? Okay, so 0.775. Yeah, okay. 07, no? Okay. Okay, we have found this one. So only thing is our last point. So we know nebula y1 is equal to y1 minus y naught. So only thing we need to find the y naught because our index of 21, 25 will be 0. So you just put and tell me what is y naught. Okay, so somebody has answered 0.4225. Okay, that's correct. So this is how you have to answer this question. Not just put the 25 in the calculator and find the sign 25. Okay, that's not the things. So you have to work through this much. Okay, give me a second. So they gave the points. So the third difference will be constant. So if the thing is, if they ask you some, like, this is an extrapolation, isn't it? Something which is not in the table. Okay. So it can be found by using our way of the table. Okay. So first of all, you have to include it where it is, because this is a equal distance, no? Equal distance. So 25 is less than here. Okay. So what if they ask 20 or something? So you have to put somewhere here. So zeroth value will be 20, and then 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay. So it kind of a extrapolation. Okay. Extrapolations, because it's not depend on our interval given. Okay. So in this sense, you have they gave the idea as a third column will be constant. It means same. Then you are going back here to here, here to here. Okay. So hope you understand this ideas as well. So let's continue the modified version of these equations. Okay. So same idea, but something modified. Okay, it's called as Newton. In this modification, Newton and Gregory. Okay, two people has worked on it. Both the Newton-Gregory formula. Okay, so in the exam also they will ask to, if they ask you to solve Newton-Gregory formula, so you have to use it. Okay, so that is also have two kind. One is forward difference interpolation. Again, other one. So far we have seen what is Newton's forward and backward difference. Now only we are using for the interpolation method. Okay. So Newton and Gregory formula for forward difference. Similarwise, we will see the other one, Newton Gregory formula backward. Okay. So first of all, let's understand the forward difference. How to derive the formula. Okay. Then we can use the formula to do our exam. Okay. So I have sent you the derivation anyway, but I didn't send you the full one. It is there fully, but there are some steps you have to work on it. Okay. So I will work here. You can work with me. Okay. So you can use both notes to study later. Okay. So third one, Newton, Gregory, or Gregory Newton, or anyway. Okay. Gregory formula. So the same idea of Newton's forward difference, but they have modified a little bit. Okay. Here we're going to find out our forward difference interpolation. Okay. Okay. Let's begin the derivation. Okay. I will go a little fast because there are some, most of the steps are there. Only thing is I need to fill some steps. So I will go by the notes. Okay. So let y is equal to f of x be a function which assumes the rules. So for fa plus h, so our x values are a plus h, a plus 2h. So what do you think? The h will be the equal increment. Okay. So again our meeting gonna end. So no problem. So this will be the equal distance. Okay. Between the points. So they say equidistance. Equidistance means equal distance. Okay. So in the point of x equal to a plus h up to a plus nh. Okay. So we have some functional value fa plus h. So you can go up to a plus nh. Okay. So you can see 1, there are n value, again 1 more. Okay, so totally n plus 1 values. Okay, for the independent variable x. So that's what they have written in first sentence. Then they ask you to assume one polynomial. Okay, so polynomial in the sense we have studied fully about how will be the polynomial will look like. Okay, for example, fx of y px, which is equal to what is the idea of polynomial? A naught plus a1x plus a2 x squared. Okay, so this is how it will be, but they have written something in the form of, okay, I'll write in the next window. So they are assuming a polynomial, okay, of nth degree. So this is also the polynomial, but this is a after the, I'll show you, okay. So for example, if they are assuming the fx of the polynomial in this way, a naught, okay, a1 of x minus a, okay, plus a2 x minus a times x minus a minus h, okay. Sorry, I can write the a3 as well. a3 x minus a x minus a minus h times, what do you think? Next one will be x minus a minus 2h, okay. And then it's continue up to nth point an, okay, x minus a minus h. It's continue. See here, this is 1 less than, this is up to x minus a. If it's this x a2, it go up to x minus a minus h, okay. a3, it go up to 2h. So what do you think this one? This will be x minus a minus, is that nh? Do you think it is nh? See here, this is a3, then 2. So 1 less than, no? So it should be n minus 1 of h. Okay. So if you, this is another form of polynomial. So if you, multiply these and that, you will have the same idea, a naught plus a1x plus a2x squared. So same idea will come. Okay. So this is another way we can write the polynomial. So this is, they have taken as a equation number 1. Okay. That's what they have given. Say nth degree polynomial. Okay. Okay. So now put x equal to a. Okay. So if you put x equal to a, what do you get in equation 1? So x equal to a now. So the LHS part f of a. Okay. RHS part, this is nothing happen, a naught. See here, if I put a minus a will be a minus a. Can you answer me? If you answer only, it will be more interesting, no? Yes, 0 times, no? So 0 times a will be 0. Again here, everything had the x minus a, no? So all other terms will be 0. So what is my conclusion? My a node will be f of a. So I'm going to find this variable a1, a2, a3, a4 because I don't know that coefficient only. Other terms I know. X no, a no, h, and all these terms I know. Only the things I don't know is the eighth value. Okay, so I'm just finding by substituting some values. Okay, so I hope you got the idea. So I got the one a naught is equal to f of a. Okay, now can you put x equal to a plus h and find what will be the a1? So that is your task. So can you derive like me? So for example, if I put a plus h, okay, I know I have f of a plus h, okay, which is equal to a naught. That is okay. in this. Okay, so if I put a plus h for x, so what will happen? A plus h minus a, no? So a cancel out times h, isn't it? So what about this one? This term, a plus h minus a minus h, no? Again 0. So all the other terms have the same term, isn't it? So all other term will be 0. Okay, check. So we know a naught already. So can you find the a1 in terms of this fa and all? What is a1? So when you are putting the next x value, one by one, the other term, I mean, eighth term will be cancelled. Okay. So can you tell me the answer for A1? Okay. So can you use our other knowledge? No, no. What is that age? Okay, good. Anyway, okay. So you have told me the answer will be, okay. So someone has answered me A1 is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Is that? So what is this one? So we are using our Grigori forward now. So what is this one actually? Using our Newton forward knowledge. Yes. Delta, no? Delta f of z a, no? A over h. Yes. So here only the Grigori and Newton has coincide. Okay. They use the knowledge. This is what the Grigori find. And then he used the Newton's way to interpret it. Okay, that's all. Okay, so we have found A naught as well as A1 in terms of this will be FA, this will be gradient delta FA divided by H. Okay, so I think our meeting also gonna finish anyway. So similar way, can you find A2, A3 up to A2 and A3? Then we can find out the A2, put the value x equal to what you can put. Next value, we have put x equal to A to find the A naught. X equal to a plus h to find the a1. So what should be this one? Then you can find a2, a3. Then we can define a. Okay, no need to go up to. Okay, yeah, our meeting finish. We can join again. Okay, so in meantime, can you find this answer?